this video, I will show you how to build your own AI chatbot using n8n and OpenAI step by step. First, we need to start n8n. Simply type this. It will be run on our system. In If you are not already not installed n8n, please check my installation video. Then start this. We create our workflow. But I will prefer a model that credential not just it that is done. It but I yes can this this is simple chat box. There no memory. What is my name? Does not store my name, so he cannot. This bot chatbot cannot know this. I don't have access to personal. Next section, I will show you how to add memory on our chatbot. Thanks for watching this video.